Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. One of the questions that I've been asked quite a lot by subscribers is whether you can scalp with the 5%ers. So in this video I'm going to be talking and answering exactly that. Hey guys, and if you're new to Mindfully Trading, my name is Emily and here on Mindfully Trading I share my journey as I grow and develop as a trader. I originally started day trading the US stock market, but since then I've gravitated towards trading the Forex market. I'm currently trading with the prop firm, the 5%ers, whereby I trade their company account and we take a share of any profits made on that account. I have got different videos about the 5%ers on my channel if you want to find out more, and I have got a link to them in the description below if you like the idea of trading for the 5%ers yourself. But can you scalp with the 5%ers? Before I answer that question properly, it's important to clarify what is actually meant by scalp trading. Some traders believe that scalping can be taking mere profits from 5 to 10 pips. Others believe that scalping is where you trade up to 20 pips. And there are some traders who believe that scalping is where you are simply looking for a couple of pips profit from your entry. However, in order to scalp for a mere couple of pips, usually that means having to take a very large position size to be able to make enough money to even cover your commissions and your fees. And this is where scalping can get extremely risky. If you want to scalp trade with the 5%ers and you want to trade for a couple of pips and you want to take a high position size to make more money, then you're probably going to fail because you're focusing on making more money. The 5%ers are a professional prop firm and they look to work with professional traders. And that basically means traders who understand the importance of risk and prioritize risk even over profits on their account. It's super important, no matter what you are trading, no matter what your strategy is, to prioritize risk when you are trading. What are you comfortable risking per trade? What are you comfortable losing per trade? For example, with my account with the 5%ers, I'm comfortable risking 0.3% of my overall account per trade. Why am I comfortable with that figure? Well, it's based on max drawdown. With my account with the 5%ers, my max drawdown rate is 6% of my account. So if I ever go down in my account by 6%, I lose that account. That is the max I can lose. So if I risk 0.3% per trade, that means I'm giving myself 20 potential losers from zero on my account before I hit that max drawdown rate. And that is something that I'm comfortable taking. It's a buffer that I am comfortable with because of my own past record with trading. I'm quite happy with that. Other traders may prefer to risk a little bit more. They might choose to risk 0.6% of their overall account, which would give them 10 max trades before they hit that max drawdown. And that's entirely up to them. When it comes to risk, it is such a personal experience. It's up to you. It's up to your results and what you're comfortable with. And the emotional side of trading really comes in with risk. It's why it's so important. They go hand in hand. Once you are happy with those figures, that's when you can plan your trade, you can plan your entry, and you can plan your exit, and then you can plan your lot size, your position size. This leads on to leverage. I receive a lot of questions from subscribers asking me what leverage I get with the 5%ers. What is the max position size you can take? And the honest answer is, I don't know. I don't know what the max position size I can take is because I've never actually tested that theory. I've never thought that I want to buy as much as I can or sell as much as I can because I know that if I do that, it's probably going to blow up my account because it's not the correct way to trade. I'm not interested in maxing out my account, taking crazy risk. I'm interested in prioritizing my risk. But put it this way, with me using my usual risk of 0.3% of my account per trade for the fivers, I've never experienced any issue with leverage or position sizing. I've been able to trade multiple positions, different pairs at the same time, and I've never had an order rejected. I've never not had enough buying power to take a trade. And I find that that's because I'm just trading the right way, I'm managing my risk the right way, and everything is connecting. The fivers give you enough leverage to be able to trade effectively, but without taking crazy stupid risk. So back to my original question, can you scalp trade with the 5%ers? And the answer is yes. If you trade responsibly and if you manage your risk effectively, you can scalp trade, you can day trade, and you can swing trade. The 5%ers don't actually have any restrictions on what you choose to do with their account. as long as you manage your risk effectively and respect their rules. But if you want to have a go at trading with the 5%ers for yourself, I definitely do recommend them as a prop firm of choice. They have realistic targets and they have respectable rules to follow. So if you want to have a go for yourself, please click on the link in the description below and see what you think. Meanwhile, if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!